Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can send Dropbox files to your team members or your friends. So first of all, you must have files in your Dropbox to send them, and you must have account logged into your Chrome or Edge browser. Let's open Dropbox.com in the Edge browser. And now let's create links to send to our team members. You can simply click on the folder, click on three lines, go to share and click on share with Dropbox. Now you can create a link, or you can simply add the email. You can go to settings for creating link, you can click on create link and a link will be created. You can modify it by keeping the password, expiry date and all of this. And you can even create a link for only viewing. So these two are different things. If you go to viewing, the people can only view it, and if you click on edit, the people can edit too. So writing down the Gmail and sending it will share this file with the Gmail which I just entered. You can see that I've shared this folder. Let me show it to you once again. Go to share with Dropbox or copy or connect apps and click on it. So I'm going to share this by copying it the link, and I'm going to send a mail to this person and he will receive it. After all of these, I'll go to settings, I will change some of the links, and after that I will simply go ahead and click on share link, and this file will be shared to this person and it will be downloadable, and he or she can download it on his web or from his or her PC. So this is how you send Dropbox files. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.